We all know, vacant home sites are a seriously non-producing asset in land-lease communities. They actually add to a community operating expenses, and don't amortize the expenses since there are fewer occupied home sites to spread expenses over. They lower the potential value of the community and may create safety issues for other residents. So, filling vacant home sites increases a community's long-term cash flows and amortizes operating expenses. When occupied, they improve the community's overall appearance. Filling them may require additional working capital for inventory, marketing and advertising, and may need additional on-site staff. However, there is also the potential to create additional cash flows from home sales margins which also contribute to the community's bottom line. Filling home sites with used or repo homes is somewhat problematic. Although they may be purchased and installed at lower prices than new homes, the result is much older-looking homes which are less attractive. They have no manufacturer's new home warranty, and may require extensive rehabilitation. They require a higher level of ongoing maintenance, and right now are in very short supply. Filling home sites with new homes, single-wides are affordable, but do not present a very attractive street appearance. They may be less safe in high winds and strong earth movements. Double-wides are pricey, and too expensive. They have high transportation costs when at a distance from the factory, and setup costs are much higher than for single-wide homes. Interlok homes are priced at only 5% to 8% higher than single-wides, and will fit on most existing standard home sites. They create a more attractive streetscape for the community, and provide residents with extra features like a semi-private courtyard area. Downsized but not down-featured, they have site-built home-like floor plans. And when added to older communities, they create increased interest in land-lease community living.
Or local and state modular codes. This provides for uniform precision construction workmanship, lower labor costs, and more efficient use of building materials. Foundation system. Each home is built in sections on a single transportable chassis system, in 14, 16, or 18-foot widths where allowed. Home lengths may be from 56 to 76 feet in 4-foot increments. Front sections vary from 20 to 36 feet in 2-foot increments, depending on the floor plan and home site requirements. As the home goes into factory production, it is built with a series of components which are used to assist in connecting the foundation and home sections for transport to the home site. A scab plate, U-brackets, wall section connectors, and roof section connectors are all part of the construction and transport system. Foundation system. Detailed to shows how the steel frame system is built to form the basis for the strong steel foundation system for the home. Home sections are interconnected on a single frame chassis for low-cost transport to the home site as a single unit. Home sections are rotated for connecting to the interlocking steel foundation system. Transporter alignment of the sections after transferring the wheels and axles from the rear section to the front. Aligning and interlocking the home sections on the home site. The finished, DAPIA-approved Federal Housing Code or Modular Code home into a Summerwood floor plan interlock home.
Greatly improved community street scenes result when using the interlock home, as is shown in this Fallbrook elevation. Enjoy your spa on the private patio. Bringing the inside living outdoors, on the patio. Usable square footage calculator shows various living areas based on transported home width and net length. 18-foot wide homes are only available in limited states. There is a loss of 1 foot in length of living area due to the removal of the wall section connector used for transporting. The recently modified FHA Title I financing program may be the key that unlocks leasing vacant home sites, by providing low down payment loans for home buyers with less than perfect credit. With down payments as low as 5% and loans up to $69,678 for 20 years, and no permanent foundation requirements, many previously financed handicapped buyers may be in a position to take advantage of land lease community living. Non-producing assets: fill your vacant home sites now, and see an immediate increase in your cash flow from home site leases. Double wides are too expensive, and single wides are not attractive, and are less safe. The Interlok home is only 5% to 8% more than a single-section home with the same home features and options. The new FHA Title I home financing program for manufactured homes on leased home sites with 5% down payments and 20-year financing makes it all possible. Create new interest in your land lease community. We have 35 plant locations in key areas of the United States with full production capabilities. Using one of the oldest and most financially sound of companies. Call us today at 888-264-6472 and let our staff assist you in selecting the right floor plans and home sizes for your community.